5 game-changing UX design hacks for 2025. Micro-interactions with emotions. Research shows that 88% of online users are less likely to return to a site after a bad experience. Subtle interactions such as hover effects or glowing buttons can increase click-through rates by 20%. Micro-interactions make digital experiences delightful and memorable. In a world where users expect more personalized and emotionally resonant interactions, little animations or effects like a button lighting up make apps feel alive and engaging. Here's a secret. A button that subtly glows warmer for hesitant clicks encourages action. Voice and gesture interactions. A survey revealed that 71% of consumers prefer searching by voice over typing. Voice commerce sales are projected to hit $40 billion by 2025. Natural interaction methods like voice and gestures reduce friction in UX. Designed for voice commands and gesture-based controls. As more users interact with devices through voice or gestures, make sure your UX can handle these inputs seamlessly. Smart content loading. 53% of mobile users abandon a website if it takes more than 3 seconds to load. Lazy loading can reduce time to interactive by 30%, while predictive loading improves perceived speed by up to 50%. Faster lazy loading websites ensure higher engagement and lower bounce rates. Implement lazy loading and predictive loading techniques to ensure your website or app loads quickly, especially with dynamic content. This gives users a faster and smoother experience. Accessible and inclusive design. There are over 1 billion globally living with some form of disability. Accessible websites see 35% higher user satisfaction, and accessibility ensures inclusivity and wider reach. So focus on making your designs universally accessible. This includes color contrasts, screen reader compatibility, and providing alternate navigation methods, ensuring everyone can use your product. Micro interactions for feedback. Visual cues like button animations make interfaces more intuitive, reducing user errors. Interfaces with responsive animations show a 25% reduction in user errors. Responsiveness builds user trust and reduces frustration. Use micro animations to provide immediate visual feedback for user actions, whether it's a subtle button press or a loading spinner. These tiny animations make your designs feel more responsive and interactive.